Project Pause Summary for the Orchestrate Agile MCP Suite, captured April 7, 2026. Sprint 5 is closed. All 19 tickets complete. 49 out of 49 story points delivered. The sprint covered production hardening, calibration closure, hygiene debt clearance, and forward bull planning for Sprint 6. Total program progress: 181 tickets done out of 275. Which is 66%, 48 stories done out of 75, 8 epics complete out of 39. The container is rebuilt, healthy, and running on ports 80, 8000, and 9001. Git head is commit 3F5636D on origin main. Database is backed up twice, once inside the container and once on the host file system. Audit chain is valid from sequence 340 onward with 500 events verified and 0 breaks. Test baseline: 2,814 passing, 0 failures, 3 quarantined flakes. To resume, start a new session and provide this context. Sprint 5 closed with all tickets done, container rebuilt and stable in production. Resume at Sprint 6, ID Alpha 5 Charlie 6 3 Echo, FC1 Data Model Migration version 0004. The first ticket is the Alembic migration file creation. Run Sprint Manage Action Start with that Sprint ID. The sprint goal combines feature completeness foundation, the mailbox defect fix, and the agent identity thin slice. Sprint 6 budget plan, agent identity thin slice, 4 tickets at roughly 225k tokens, covers deadlock detection, global session queue, and coordination zone FIFO. C1 distributed work leasing, 3 tickets at roughly 300k tokens. C2 branching and workspace strategy, 3 tickets at roughly 225k tokens, plus the mailbox fix carried from the sprint goal at about 50k. Total approximately 800k tokens within budget. Master plan red threads. First, the 2+2 Horizon, Epic C, Multi-Agent Concurrency, and Epic D, UAT Playwright QA are promoted to now. Epic L, Knowledge and Memory, is at 80%, phases 5 and 6 remain. Epic B, Delivery Control, is complete. Second, Slice 2 Foundation Ready is the current release target. Exit criteria require operational identity, audit, concurrency, and UAT foundations. Estimated 4 to 5 sprints to exit, so sprints 6 through 10. Third, the agent identity prerequisite. RAID 9 Charlie 6 Delta 1664 remains open. The Spike document recommends a thin slice of 4 tickets rather than full Epic P, which would take 11 tickets. Existing identity primitives are about 70% complete. Registration, authentication, sessions, leasing, and branching all work today. 3 critical gaps remain: distributed deadlock detection, global session queue, and coordination zone FIFO scheduling. Fourth, Epic C is fully seated in the MCP, 6 stories, OAS 270 through 275, covering leasing, branching, conflict resolution, coordination bus, multi-agent planning, and the professional delivery end cap. C1 and C2 each have 3 tickets with done criteria and are ready for Sprint 6 execution. Fifth, the Playwright scaffold is ready in backend tests E2E with a Hello World test and setup documentation. Needs pip install of Pytest Playwright and Chromium installation in the container to activate. Sixth, 8 RAID entries remain open. Key ones are the agent identity dependency, audit chain break at sequence 339 which is accepted, token budget regression from L2 macros which is being monitored, and persona performance ledger cold start for new programs. Key documents for the resuming agent, docs/project pause state.md has the full state docs/slice2 readiness matrix.md has the horizon assessment docs/spike agent identity for epic c.md has the thin slice recommendation docs/process has the sprint boundary protocol, program North Star, epic promotion standard, and release slice tracker. That's the state. The MCP is stable in production and ready for other projects. When you come back to this project, start Sprint 6 and pick up the Alembic migration for FC1.